All right, today we're gonna bring these solar LED lights. These are great for outdoors. If we're gonna have an event outdoors, these are perfect. Look at how beautiful they are. Now, these are not glass. This is plastic, right? Inside each one is a crystallized LED light to reflect and actually illuminate more, right? So if you guys can see it. Now they give you a bunch of these. We're gonna put a description of how many light bulbs you actually get, but they give you the remote control. All right, they give you the solar panel part of it, and also they give you a charging device, which is a USB, micro USB, that you can charge here on the side of the actual system itself. Now if you guys see the control panels right now, it doesn't, they're not even on, but when we turn them on, we're going to turn them on just to see it. Right now we're at 75%, so it tells you how much lighting you have in charge. All right, you could charge this all day and it'll automatically charge, and it'll give you 100% through the day, but at night they're gonna last you around 8 to 12 hours depending on the actual solar, right? So you can turn it off, and basically this could go into any location, anywhere. You could take these by the beach, at a park, anywhere, and you're not gonna need any kind of power because it's all based on this battery base in here. They give you, like I said, the micro USB that you can charge from the side angles, so plug it in case you don't have enough charge throughout the day. You can always charge it through the night or through the day using a USB, micro USB. So we're gonna set all these up right here. If you guys can see, on top of that they do give you a remote control. Beautiful remote control, so you could change certain things. Now these could work independently with music, without music, and you could dim down the light. You could do all sorts of things on it. Now this is important to have because the control, you cannot change anything in here. It's just a power on and off. So you need to have, if you want different kind of controls, if you want like different RGB lighting that you want to connect, dim down the lights to highlight, to modes, you're gonna need the remote control. So I'm gonna set these up today and see how beautiful they look at night. So let's go. One best things I like about it, it comes with pre-hooks already. If you guys can see it, it opens up. You don't have to screw anything in and just lock it in. So you can have your screws in place and remove these and add these anytime. So very durable. I dropped them a couple times, nothing happened to them. So let's take a look at them at night. All right, let's turn it on. So right now we got a bunch of modes. We got RGB load, different display mode. I'm gonna try one mode, two modes. Look at the different kind of modes that we have. Very simple, easy to install. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.